Do you know that if you use rice and sea salt just for one day, it can bring money, love, wealth, and prosperity to you? If you will not doubt this, you should do this right now. So today, I have a little treat for you, a very powerful spiritual tips that you can do right now, and within few days, you will start to see the changes in your life. If you are somebody that has been suffering for a very long time, you have been in poverty, you are lacking money, people don't help you, you are struggling every single day for money, you should do this rice and salt spell. It works like fire. Okay, I really want you to do this. What you need is very simple. You need just two natural ingredients. You need rice. This is rice over here. Okay, rice. You can get any type of rice: white rice, brown rice, red rice, basmati rice, any type of rice. And make sure you get some salt. If you can get sea salt, fine. If you don't have sea salt, you get normal cooking salt. Okay, so these two natural ingredients, they are natural, they are organic, they work for attractions, they work for money, they work for wealth, they work for favor. Okay, so now when you want to use this, you will make sure you wake up early in the morning or just before you go to bed. Those two times, early in the morning or just before you go to bed. You know why? You may be asking, okay, why do I have to wake up early in the morning? You know, when you wake up early in the morning, everything is fresh. It's like a new beginning. It's like a new start. So you want to give yourself a good start in life, okay, to get a new beginning. Like whole things are passed away. You've been living in poverty. Now you want a new beginning. So when you're waking up, you will make sure you do this in the bed, in your bedroom, okay? Before you talk to anybody, before you eat anything, before you drink anything, before you even brush your mouth, you will take some rice, maybe about 7 pieces of rice, okay? Just 7 pieces like this, okay? You take just 7 pieces, all right? And add some sea salt too, just a little. You don't need too much, okay? Just a pinch. You can put it on the side of the rice. Now, you will look at your room or your house. Count how many windows you have in your house and count how many doors you have in your house. If you have 2 doors, that's you're gonna pick about 7 pieces of rice each, making 14. If you have 2 windows, you will pick another 14 pieces, 7 each. Okay, so you will now place this by the door. You place them under the door, under your door, like 7 pieces of rice and 7 pinches of salt. Place them under the door. Okay, on the first door and on the second door, you do another 7 pinches of rice, of salt and 7 rice. Okay, you put them under the door. You do same for the windows. You know the reason why you have to do this. When blessings and miracles are coming into your life, into your home, they come through the doors. They come through your windows because those are the entrances. Same way, if negativities are going to come in, they come through that same way. So you want to make sure that you do this to attract favor, money, blessings, miracles into your house through all these entrances. That's why you have to use rice and salt. These two natural ingredients, they work with the power of the universe. They work with the frequency of the universe. Okay, they are very powerful. In fact, I call them spirits. That's why I like to use them. I use them in fact, on daily basis. All right. So now you will pick 7 pieces of rice, 7 pinches of rice, put them on the first door if you have 2 doors. then another one on the second door. You do same for the windows. All right, and you're going to pray. Make your intention at this time, because it's not just about placing rice and salt on your doors or on your window. You really have to say your intention. Okay, that's what I'm saying. When you're just waking up, or when you're just going to bed, because those two times are very powerful. You can definitely manifest with this any time of the day, but I really want you to do them in the morning or at night. So now you will start to say your intention. You will tell God Almighty, tell the universe what you wanted to happen in your life. With the rice on your hand, with the salt on your hand, right? So this is what you're going to do. You will now start to say your intention. So see that right now. So you start saying your intention. You say, God Almighty, I'm using rice and sea salt to bring goodness, to bring prosperity, to bring money, to bring peace into my home. I want miracles and blessings to come into my home through these natural ingredients. I believe in the power of the universe. I believe in the power of God Almighty to make things happen in my life. I don't want to suffer again. I don't want to be begging for money again. After today's ritual, after using rice and sea salt, my life will never remain the same again. I will never beg for money again. I will never beg for money again. I will be commanding money. Money will flow to me from every part of the world. Money will flow to me from the north, from the south, from the east, and from the west. People will be blessing me. That contract that I wanted will come for me. That new job that I wanted will be mine. I will manifest a new job. I will manifest new money. I will get big money in life in the mighty name of God. After today, my life will never remain the same again. So now what you've done is you have just commanded the power behind rice and salt, okay, to do the miracles for you. So the reason is, when you use these ways, you use them in exchange of the things that you want. All right. So now when you leave there, you have to leave the rice and salt. You leave them by the door, by your window. You leave them there for as long as you can. The next day, you may wake up and find out that you don't have rice there anymore. You may wake up and find out that you don't have any salt there anymore, or maybe they have reduced. Maybe you put 7 and you find just 5, or you find just 4. Don't panic. That is a sign of success. That's a sign that these rituals worked for you. So what will happen afterward is money will start to flow. Okay, you might wake up in the next few days and get a phone call that you have won that lottery. You might wake up the next day and find out that that job that you wanted, you have gotten that job. You might wake up tomorrow, you might get a phone call that you got that contract. You might get a phone call that your business, that investment that you made has yielded much interest and it has yielded more profit. These are the things that are possible in this earth. These are the things that God Almighty can do for you. This has happened. It has worked for me. It has worked for a lot of people. I really want you to go right ahead and do this and come back and share your testimony on my channel. In fact, I can't wait to read from you. Go right ahead and do that. I want to believe that this video is helpful. If it is helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will definitely bless you. Please, I want you to join membership on my channel for more spiritual guide, and you will never regret it. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.